mixed numbers. What we learned today, we'll be working some more with it, but I wanted to go over some of the things, the key concepts that we need to know. A mixed number is just basically a fraction, a whole number with a fraction. This is a mixed number. It has a whole number and a fraction. So if I wanted to divide 4 2/3 by 1 3/4. So I have a mixed number divided by a mixed number. For the division rules, you use the same rules that we've been doing before, multiply and flip the guy, or keep, change, flip. But since it's a mixed number, we have to turn it into an improper fraction. In order to turn it into an improper fraction, we're going to do what we did today, and we're going to change this mixed number and we're going to make it mad. If you remember, we talked about multiply, add, and then the denominator. So we're going to make this mixed number mad and turn it into an improper fraction. We take our 3 and we multiply, and then 4 and 2 we add, and then we're going to talk about the denominator. So turning the mixed number into an improper fraction by making it mad. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And then the D stands for the denominator, so I'm going to bring that denominator down. The denominator stays the same. Same division concept. Now I'm going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction and make it mad. So 4 times 1 plus 3. So we're using multiplication and addition. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Then the denominator stays the same. Now we're going to use the rules that we've been learning all week about keep, change, flip, multiply, and flip the guy. So ladies first, keep, change, and then flip, or do the inverse. We're finding the reciprocal of 7 over 4, and that is 4 over 7. So I can easily multiply across, but I do have some numbers that I noticed that I can simplify. You really want to practice the cross-canceling. It's something that you're going to use for forever, actually. When I look at this, 3 and 4, these are consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers, you cannot simplify, which basically means these are counting numbers. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and so forth. But I have a 7 and a 14, and 14 is divisible by 7. So I can divide both numbers by 7 and cross-cancel to reduce this fraction. So if I divide 7 by 7, I get 1. And if I divide 14 by 7, I get 2. Now I have a lot smaller numbers to work with, and I just multiply across. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 1 is 3. This ends my, this is my quotient, so this is my answer. But this is not simplified. An improper fraction is not simplified. It can be reduced again. So I have to think, I can either do long division, or with small numbers like this, I can just think 3 times what equals 8 without going over. Or how many times, if you have 8, how many times can you give me 3? If you have 8 of something, you can give me 3 2 times. If you gave me 3 times 2, that equals 6. You originally had 8, so 8 minus the 6 that you gave me is 2. The bottom number stays the same. If I want to check my answer to see if I am correct, and I simplified and everything, so if I do the